And hey guys, I'm Craig. If you've watched the last video, you'll have seen that I wanted to do a lot more content. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the HP 14-inch laptop. I decided that it was too good an opportunity to miss. It is an i7-8550 processor with 256GB of SSD space and 8GB of RAM. It also has a dedicated graphics card, but we'll get into that with the unboxing. So, it comes in the plain HP cardboard packaging. I'd already cut the sellotape on it, but it comes with your wee setup instruction manual, just placed on the top. Charger and cable, standard sort of HP quality, a very well cushioned laptop. So it comes in a wee plastic sheath. Take the tape off of it without hitting it off the desk. Brushed aluminium finish, turn it so that you can see the HP logo. It's a brushed aluminium finish, very nice, and it has a very nice action on the screen as well. It comes with a protecting cover for your keys, and as you can see it has an NVIDIA GeForce 940MX graphics card, i7 8th gen processor, and has Bose sound system. I'm going to finish setting up this laptop. This was the unboxing of the HP Pavilion Pro 14-inch. If you like this video, then please comment down below and hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to see more content like this and other content, being travel, etc., then hit that subscribe button. I will be doing an update on how I'm finding using this laptop in the next week or so. So if you want to see that as well, hit that subscribe button. But until then, as always, hunt the thrill and keep it real guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.